Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Serein, and by the title of this video, I am incredibly excited to announce my first ever brand collaboration with PCA Skin. And I feel like this is such a perfect collab. I've gotten to know PCA Skin on so many different levels. I went to visit their headquarters. I learned all about their products, how their products are developed. I've been testing them out for months. When I figured out like my favorite ride or die products from the brand, I got to learn even more at why I was so drawn to them and really what PCA Skin is all about, which is education first. And of course, you guys know I love whenever a brand is there to educate the consumer as well as the people that touch the consumer. PCA Skin was originally founded by an esthetician, and everybody on their sales team in-house is a licensed esthetician, which is incredible. So if you call in, if you send in an email, if you have any questions, they are going to be answered by a licensed esthetician. After talking with them back and forth and them knowing how much I love certain products, and I have mentioned them time and time again on my Insta stories as well as in my videos, specifically my May favorites, they asked if I would want to do a starter set or a little trial set for my audience, and I did. So PCA Skin is a professional level skincare brand. That's another reason why I truly love this brand, because they do very much focus on results, efficacy of their ingredients, making sure it's delivering the most benefits using science, but also making sure to use as many natural ingredients as possible. I actually did a podcast interview, which will be up very soon on Behind the Beauty podcast with Danae. Let's get into the kit. This is my kit. I can't believe it. It's going to have everything you need to get a good idea of PCA Skin. It's a great kit to incorporate into your current skincare routine or to maybe start a skincare routine. And I'll walk you through each product, why I love it, and kind of how I recommend using it. You're gonna get this cute little bag, and what I like about this bag is that it's travel friendly, especially for summertime. If things explode, if things leak, it's all lined, so you can just wipe it away with a wipe. I think it's very chic, black and white, definitely my aesthetic. In here, you're going to get a little card with all the products describing kind of how to use it. You'll see me on the other side of the card and why I wanted to create this kit with PCA Skin. It's all about getting your perfect glow. All the products in here are to help maintain your skin's health as well as achieve that perfect glow. That's me in there. So the first product that's in here is the face wash. I just want to let you guys know this kit I took with me to New York for 8 days. I used it for all 8 days, day and night. I brought it back with me and I was able to get a good solid maybe 2 weeks use. I think you'll see the results and I think you'll really enjoy the products, and it's a great way for you to decide whether or not you want to spend your money on a full-size product. This is the face wash. This face wash, all these products are great for all skin types, including somewhat sensitive skin. There may be a couple things that you might maybe want to use sparingly at first if you have super sensitive skin, but for the most part this should be okay for everybody in general. This face wash is great. It doesn't strip your skin. All of PCA's face washes are pH balanced, so it will cleanse your skin, remove the SPF, the pollution, the dirt, the sweat, minor makeup. I personally, if I'm wearing a full face of makeup and a lot of eye makeup, will still start with an oil cleanse or a balm just to remove that first layer of makeup, and then I'll go in with the face wash. It cleanses without feeling stripping, which I appreciate. Pretty self-explanatory. It's just a nice gentle cleanser. Gentle but effective. That's important for me, because sometimes gentle means like it just slips around on my face and I don't feel like it's cleaning my face. Then it's the nutrient toner, and I love this nutrient toner because it smells like pumpkin spice. It has a pumpkin enzyme in it, which is great for brightening. It's great for gentle exfoliation, but it's not too harsh. It's great for daily use. If you're super sensitive, I recommend using this at night or in the mornings. Instead of washing your face, splash your face with some water, filtered water preferably, or a micellar water. and then you can go in with the nutrient toner before your other skincare steps. I love toners. Ever since I can remember, I always cleansed, toned, moisturized. Toner to me is a really lovely way to exfoliate, to balance out your skin and prep it for the rest of your routine. Then we're going to talk about two of my favorite treatments from PCA Skin. These are my ride or die products from PCA Skin, and I'm running low on one of them. Actually, I'm running low on both of them. I'm sure you guys know about this. This is the C and E Strength Max. I am obsessed with this product. This is a daytime treatment because it's vitamin C and E. What you want to do with this is apply it before your moisturizer and SPF during the day, but after you are cleansed and toned. I like this as my first treatment on my face because I want the vitamin C and the vitamin E to really penetrate into my skin. Because there's absolutely no water in this formula, it is going to sting slightly. It tingles. I love the way it feels because I feel like it's actually working. This is the first vitamin C that I've ever tested where I actually see a difference after a couple of days. The great thing about this vitamin C and E is not only does it help with your brightness and your overall skin tone and pigmentation, it is protecting it. You want to wear an antioxidant product as well as SPF. The SPF protects you from the sun's rays, but the antioxidants also help with the previous sun damage as well as the current sun damage that is happening. Antioxidant, SPF 30 or higher every single day. That's so, so important. By the time typical vitamin C is on the shelf, efficacy of it, the potency of that vitamin C starts to diminish, and then you open it and then it starts diminishing faster, and every time you pump it, every time it's exposed to air, every time it sees light, it just becomes less and less effective. Because of the way that they were able to encapsulate this vitamin C with absolutely no water, because water is the #1 thing that will break vitamin C down, it is so strong. It is one of the strongest vitamin C's that is still effective on your skin because you don't want to go crazy because your skin can only absorb so much at the same time. And because it is combined with vitamin E, it's able to penetrate into your skin even more, giving it all the antioxidants and all the nutrition it needs. I highly encourage you guys to get the kit just to try this vitamin C. This is so freaking good. And if you've been looking into a vitamin C that you want to incorporate and try, I really love this one from PCA Skin because it is so effective. It's one of the best ones on the market, especially when you look at the price point at Sephora, Ulta, department stores. Like, there's a lot of vitamin C products out there, but most of them are combined with some sort of oil or some sort of water, and it's just not as effective as this one is. When you first open it up, shake it up a little bit because of the way it's sitting. A little bit of oil will come out. After you start using it, it'll just be this like cream balm situation. It's almost dry. It feels dry. It absorbs so quickly into the skin. Apply this all over my face. And I like to go in with the Hyaluronic Boosting Serum. So this is the best way I can describe it, is what Shelby at PCA Skin kind of said, because I was trying to explain to her like my love for this serum. I couldn't explain it because it was unlike any other hyaluronic acid I had tested, and she was like, it's like mother's milk. It truly does feel like that. At the time when I first tried this product out, my skin was overly sensitized. I had done a peel, not from PCA Skin, from somewhere else at home that completely threw my skin off balance. I was inflamed, I was really red, my skin was overly sensitized. When they gave me the full size of this, I put it on my skin and it immediately transformed and healed my skin. This hyaluronic acid booster serum literally feels like a cloud. It feels like a ice cold Coca-Cola, but more hydrating on a hot summer's day. And I love it. It's absolutely beautiful. Anybody that has tried this says the same thing. They can't live without it because it's not sticky. A lot of hyaluronic acids that come in those droppers or in the pumps typically feel a little sticky, and there's like a residue left over, and it doesn't necessarily feel like it's hydrating, but you know it's supposed to be good because we know about hyaluronic acid being a humectant and adding water to your skin, but it never feels as good as this hyaluronic acid booster serum. This one is like a cloud, and it truly feels hydrating, nourishing, plumping and moisturizing all in one without any weird residue. You can apply this throughout the day. You can apply it over your vitamin C. You can use it underneath the vitamin C first. If you're a little bit on the drier side, you can use this first and then go in with the vitamin C and E Strength Max and then put your SPF over. And I always recommend a physical SPF of 30 or higher. If you can do a combination of physical and chemical, that's great, but please, please, please wear an SPF every single day of 30 or higher. And if you guys are looking for a good SPF and you happen to be shopping on PCA's website, I recommend picking up their SPF 45 or their sheer tint if it's in stock. If it's in stock, get it ASAP. That has a nice little tint and it has a nice physical SPF. I love PCA SPF as well. They also have a hydrating, moisturizing SPF 30, which is also really good. As a treatment 2-3 times a week, depending on your skin, we included the pore refining treatment. I have a full size that I keep in the shower. I have pore and textural issues is kind of what I'm concerned about, especially around here. I have enlarged pores. Enlarged pores is genetic, unfortunately, and there's nothing you can do about it other than maintaining your pore health, which means making sure they're clear, exfoliating, keeping the elasticity strong so that they don't start drooping as I get older and it makes it look bigger. Enlarged pores are magnified by having clogged pores and also having dry skin, just the elasticity through time. So if I protect my skin with antioxidants, SPF, keep it hydrated with the hyaluronic acid booster serum, and also make sure that I'm cleaning my skin, cleansing my face every night, never sleeping with any makeup on, always washing my face really, really well, balancing it with the toner, can prevent a lot of the pore issues. You probably can't tell from camera, but those are the things under the big magnifying thing that estheticians typically tell me. This is a great little 2-3 times a week pore refining treatment. It exfoliates your skin physically as well as chemically, and I love that. I love that I get all the exfoliation I need. The physical exfoliation is not harsh whatsoever. I'm going to insert footage of it. It is very, very finely ground, so it's not going to leave any lesions on your skin. It's actually very beautiful, very soft and refined, but at the same time you're going to get that chemical exfoliant in there as well. I recommend starting this twice a week and then building up depending on your skin. I'm oily right now, so I can do 3 times a week. That's my kit. It comes with 5 pieces. It retails for $48. It's available only at PCA Skin, and I will have the link to shop it if you're interested in the description box. It'll be the first clickable link. You can click on it. It'll take you to this page. You can pick up the kit. I'll also list a couple of the SPFs I recommend from them. If it's available, I'll list it in the description box in case you wanted to add a couple things to your cart. By no means feel pressured to buy it. I just think it's a great value and a great way for you to be exposed to a brand I truly, truly love and believe in. And if you've been curious and you were like, oh, I don't know if I want to spend that much on one product, this is a great way for $48 to get a good collection to test out. I think you'll get a really good idea for what the brand has to offer. If you guys have any questions, like down to the nitty-gritty ingredients, or if you want to know if this is good for your skin type, don't hesitate to reach out to PCA Skin. You can schedule a Skype call or a video chat. You can email in your questions and they can call you back, or you can call in during business hours and they will try and help you out and assess your skin and what you might need. But seriously, they're there to help you and guide you. They're an amazing group of people, amazing team, and I want to thank PCA Skin for collaborating with me. And I think it's just the perfect partnership because I align with a lot of their beliefs and vice versa. None of those nasty fillers. Everything in their products does something and is in there for a reason. They're not just gonna fill it with stuff just so you can get a larger bottle, a pretty scent or something like that, even though their stuff smells pretty good. Nutrient toner, it just smells like pumpkin spice, which is awesome. If you use it, like, you'll smell it, but then it goes away. So it doesn't linger or anything like that because they're not adding fragrances for a pretty scent. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Hopefully it was quick. I just wanted to hop on here, explain my kit, explain how to use it. The only product I would not use at night is the vitamin C and E. Everything else you can use: cleanser, toner, hyaluronic booster serum, day and night. During the day, use the vitamin C and E Max Strength Max, and then 2-3 times a week at night, preferably use the refining pore treatment. Pretty simple, pretty easy to use. Kit is limited edition currently. It's only available for 6 weeks. So if you get the kit, you like it, and you want it for travel size, then you might want to pick up a couple extra ones for travel, or they also have other travel kits. And I will update you guys if we decide to keep it going longer, but right now we're doing a 6-week run. Super excited. And if you guys have any questions for me, like how it's been working with PCA Skin or anything like that, let me know in the comment section. I do my best to respond to as many comments as possible and as frequently as possible, so I do check in every so often. But seriously, if you guys have any specific skincare issues, take advantage of PCA Skin and contact them. They're a licensed esthetician and they know the products backwards and forwards. I know the products that I have in here. I do upload 2 new videos every week, every Wednesday and Saturday at 11 a.m. PST. Occasional bonus videos. Next time, I'll see you guys right back here. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!